Welcome back to Instables. Again, going over our intraday perspective as we do have another candle coming out, consolidating just above our prior resistance. Now looking for this possible support to possibly continue above our major resistance and major continuation that we can have. Again, leading into next week's CPI inflation report on Tuesday. What exactly is going to happen from here? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel. Now, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news, before market open, major volatile movers like we mentioned here with MOBQ today, mentioning that we need to continue on above pre-market high. We continued on above pre-market high, had respect on our 10 MA here, continued on higher here on our 5-minute chart. Would have been looking for this continuation. Sure enough, continuing all the way up to 36 cents from pre-market high at 28 cents. A very nice spike, a very nice continuation. This was the second best runner that we had in the Instables room. I'm going to mention our favorite one that we had pre-market later on in the video, but again, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the spot with you guys here again, looking at our intraday perspective off the bat, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for going into tomorrow. Again, after a spike a few days ago, having a major spike, now sitting within consolidation, looking for a possible, what a lot of people would call a bull flag. But in my opinion, again, as we mentioned yesterday, even if we have a spike, we do have resistance and not much room to run to the upside. So again, we assumed that we would have a possible spike, continuing on with yesterday's spike. Sure enough, did continue on with that spike. However, had a wick to the upside, now closing and sitting within consolidation on our daily chart above our prior resistance, now looking for possible support. Now again, this support is key, but our major support that we were looking for here is at 431. If we continue on above 431, it would be above our major rejection prior, which would be our gap ups into our prior gap downs. So again, looking for our 431 level with proof of concept is the bigger watch than we are looking for here at 425. But again, looking for any possible rejection as we lead into CPI next Tuesday would be the play, in my opinion. Even if we had a spike, looking for any possible inside bar close, that would be that possible pullback on a possible continuation with a wick to the downside. That would be the better play, in my opinion, since we would be getting rejected intraday on resistance. This is what I would be looking for. But from here, if we happen to continue on lower going into tomorrow, if we happen to, again, continue on going into tomorrow, we want to see if we get any wicks to the downside, any possible rejection candles to the downside. And if we do jump back above 425, then we can possibly retest 431. That would be larger momentum to the upside from a rejection candle on our 10-day, assuming that we would be curling over with our 10-day for that possible confirmation off of our 10-day if we did continue on lower. So again, that's what we're looking for intraday. That's our daily candle structure. I'm going to jump into our weekly chart so you guys can see our overall perspective here again, as we have been mentioning our 21 weekly moving average crossing above our 50 weekly moving average that we have not had happen. Again, from the last year of selling off, we crossed below here and we have not crossed up here. And recently we have been crossing up like we mentioned, and we have been getting this momentum, very nice buy the dip opportunities that we have been getting. So again, our intraday perspective will be those possible rejections on our 431 level intraday. Now again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that you want to be watching, again, we mentioned FRZA very early in pre-market, had a continuation, a major spike in pre-market with the market as the market was spiking, a very nice continuation. The strongest mover that was moving in pre-market, continuing on with the market. Again, these are the type of major movers that we mentioned in the Instables room. Again, go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. We will continue to go at it. Very patient in the last couple weeks, but we will continue to stay consistent and making sure that we stay blessed is what we will continue to stay focused on. Again, just taking what the market gives us is what we will continue to do in the Instables room. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in pre-market.